So what has been happening in Kenya is that we have these big establishments that were set up. And these establishments, they are private owned, and they are the dry mills, they are the marketers, and most of the time they are also participating in the auction as another person.
Okay.
So when we talk about injustice, those are some of the things that we talk about. We mention.
Yeah.
Someone controlling each and every moving part.
Yeah.
In this value addition.
Wow. And you said this is kind of a new innovation or a new situation. I don't even really want to use the word innovation, but this is new because you're describing in the 90s when your parents were in coffee, it was pretty profitable.
Yes.
Does that mean that they had more participation in all those steps?
They did, and it was mostly the government structures, and the government had the farmer in mind. But as you know, these people continued coming in, and the government had a hand at that point, you know, allowing them to set those structures and probably, you know, necking away and allowing them to do the things that they were doing.
And these are private entities from outside of Kenya.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
So now you take the coffee to this dry miller. He charges you for the dry milling. Then you sign a contract as him being the representative of your coffee to the auction. So they become your marketing agent. Right? So now they go to the auction, they present your coffee. Here's the problem.
Where is the auction at? Is it in Nairobi?
It's in Nairobi. It's called the Nairobi Coffee Exchange.
Now, you know, I'm a black American, bro. I get triggered by the word auction, right?
Yeah.
I'm just like, yo, the history of, you know what I'm saying? Like, black people working on fields and going to auctions is like not great in this country. But it's kind of, it seems like on a different level, it's also not great in Kenya. Like,
there's a lot of injustice that happens there.
Wow. Okay, so obviously people are not being sold at the auction, so we passed that. But your product is going to auction, but you're not able to represent your own product.
You're not able to represent yourself.
So even if someone wanted to, could they take their own product to auction, or do you have to go through these kind of foreign intermediaries?
Things have changed.
Okay.
And that's why we are here. We are able to export coffee because in 2005 the policies started becoming a little bit more friendly to the farmer.
Okay.